Healthy Pequeños is a project designed to reduce infections in children at an orphanage in Mexico.
Elena really wants to build a model to reduce infectious disease in children and promote health in young children, particularly in areas in the developing world.
Nuestros Pequeños Hermanos is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. The kids have been through more than any of us here could probably ever imagine, but they are so loving and kind to each other. I just fell in love with the place and the kids there, and I started designing a project to help benefit the health of the children there.
By reducing exposure to tainted water and improving screening for infectious disease, Elena's project will identify new ways to address the global challenge of preventing infectious diseases.
This is a very holistic project because it's dealing with infrastructure, restoring a water filtration system, helping the children and their caregivers to understand more about the infectious disease process and how to avoid getting sick.
The curriculum for the children will be developmentally based, so it's going to be for each age group. For the caregivers, it's going to be a yearly program for them to just reinforce knowledge about how to prevent infections among the children. And then for the clinic, it'll be about how we're going to collaboratively work to develop an infection monitoring program.
Her curriculum takes into account the best of what we know from looking at programs developed by the World Health Organization or by UNICEF and by the Centers for Disease Control, and taking that global approach that have infused into their models and married it to pediatric nursing concepts and theory. The President's Engagement Prize is going to help Elena in ways that she doesn't even yet realize.
For her project, Healthy Pequeños, she will partner with an orphanage in Mexico to improve health education for children. Congratulations to nursing senior Elena Hall.
It's just an amazing opportunity that Penn gives its students to jumpstart their lives.
Elena's going to be a leader in nursing, and she's someone who we will be hearing an awful lot about over the course of her career.
She's going to make a difference in a way that will last for many, many, many years.
Nuestros Pequeños Hermanos is a place that gives so much good to the world. I wanted to be able to do something to help make it an even better place.